Hey guys, so may price tag labeler tayo na ipapakita sa inyo. This video will serve as a quick tutorial on how to change price tag and refill the ink. These are the MX5500 and the EOS model. Kung mapapansin nyo, halos parehas ng itsura nila. So I would recommend any of these two naman. Here's an overall look and feel of the price tag gun. If you're interested, we sell this on our online store. I'll put the link in the description down below. So this is the EOS model. Ang pinaka-distinction lang niya is that may takip siya sa taas. Other than that, it's the same thing. To start off, this is only a price labeler, so bawal ang date. So dito nyo sa letters, papalitan ang gusto nyo maging output. Ikutin nyo lang siya to your designated numbers. Mabilis lang siya i-adjust and meron din siyang peso sign. For the next part, ibabaklas natin tong labeler so that kung naubusan kayo and gusto nyo mag-refill, ito ang gagawin nyo. Kailangan nyo muna buksan ang base plate and its lever so that malagay nyo na maayos ang price tag. So in this part, tanggalin muna natin ang price tag and try natin ibalik. It takes time para masanay kayo, pero once you get the hang of it, mabilis na lang siya. At this point, you can close the label case para hindi kayo mahirapan. May mapapansin kayong mga tusok-tusok sa likod at this point. This can be used as guide to make it stay in place. Once you're done, you can cover the base plate again. Now, if you want to change the ink once maubos na, a spare ink will be included in the package. We also sell the ink itself. Feel free to check it out below. So it's located on the front side. Tatanggalin nyo lang siya so you can change. Once done, you can put it back in.